Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing my after dark cleaning routine. So I'm still getting set up. As you can see, I am putting the really good smell beads in a cute little container. And this is my friend Belinda. She's awesome. We've known each other for years and we're doing a collaboration. Please like her video and subscribe to her channel. You won't be disappointed. So the first thing I do is I load up all of the materials that I'm going to be needing for my cleaning. And as you can see here, I could really use a big strong man. And I'll get it open eventually. So I start by filling up this. This is our OxiClean that we use for whites. So I'm going to fill this up. You know, my husband teases me about decorations, but those little green plants really do look cute. So the first thing I do is I empty out the dryer because usually my husband leaves stuff in the dryer. Actually, that was my stuff. And now I move everything from the washer to the dryer, put in a new load for the washer, get everything situated. I'm gonna put my dryer sheets. This is this giant thingamajigger that my husband would tease me about forever, but he's actually come to enjoy quite a bit. It holds our laundry detergent. Just looks a lot prettier. This is just an additional wash that I use to make my clothes smell extra cute. Put that in. I'm gonna make my way to the breakfast area, but not before I take a quick bite. It's the ramen that I made earlier. It was delicious. So y'all know me, I'm all about efficiency, so I'm going to listen to a podcast at the same time. Terry Savelle Foy is who I'm digging at the moment. So I, of course, start by wiping down the countertop, or the table rather. You know we love our Caldrea sprays. They smell really good. Whew, hot mess. We'll make this look way better. So the first thing I do is I start by taking all of the dirty dishes, all of the trash. Just helps to have a little bit cleaner area. Oh, my husband loves to leave the lemon and lime thing in the squeezer. Drives me nuts. Ah, clean dishwasher. Thank you, hubby. First thing I do is I put all of the dirty dishes that belong in the dishwasher into the dishwasher so I can free up some space in the sink. I'll need that later as a workspace. How you like that dramatic zoom in? It's pretty cool. And now I move to cleaning things by hand, I believe. Use this handy dandy little thingamajigger where I squeeze some soap, put some water. My husband fought me on this initially, but he's come to enjoy it and appreciate it quite a bit. So I start cleaning things by hand. Not everything belongs in the dishwasher for one reason or another. We've learned that the hard way. Take a sip of coffee, even though it's pretty late. Set out my drying towel. And I start with all the, not even sure what that thingamajigger is, our cutting board that we use for pizza. And our little rotating cutting, not a cutting board, we put like cheese and meats on this primarily. My little Looks like a spaceship. I don't know what that's for. And then of course our cutting board. Scrub this bad boy down real good. Oh wow, that was brave. I put it up on its side. Wow, hubby is going to be impressed. I cleaned the microwave. Apparently hubby's under the impression that it cleans itself because hubby has never done that. Clean, clean, clean. Wow, really thorough. Wow. Dang. Okay. Then I move to clean the sink itself. Start drying everything. I have to explain to hubby what that thing is because I have absolutely no idea. So it looks like now I'm ready to clean the countertop. We use a special spray for the countertop. It smells really good. I clean really thoroughly. Hubby could learn a thing or two. Wow, very thorough. Looks like we're moving on to the coffee station area. Of course, keeping an eye on Sebastian. I'm pretty sure I'm going to take a bite of that cookie. Let's see. Yep. Bite of the cookie, of course. So remove everything first, with the exception of that coffee maker, because I need my husband for that because it's pretty heavy. Wipe it down. Wow. I am way more thorough than hubby. Start piecing everything back together. In case you're wondering why there's a hole in our countertop, that is for our milk spinner thingamajigger that's not there. Moving on to the other countertop. So I start by, oops, just kidding. Start by removing everything, wiping everything down. Put this pumpkin here that doesn't do anything except take up space, but that's cool. Once again, wipe everything down. This is usually where I just throw everything onto the floor and let hubby take care of it. Spray it down real good. Ew! We were reminded of things we ate days and weeks ago. Put everything back together. How cute! Everything matches. Put all of our decorative things back. Using my handy dandy Indust spray that really does work really well for stainless steel. Wipe down our water and wine fridge. That's literally all we have in there is water and wine. Move to the fridge next. Wipe that big old guy down. Looks like hubby needs to change the water filter. You see that red light? Shame on him. Wow, I am really showing hubby up and how thorough I can clean. Jeez. Oh wow, that's how long I've been cleaning. Oh wait, never mind. I forgot to run it. Haha, just kidding. A little trick learned from hubby is pour a cup of white vinegar each time you run the dishwasher. Not only will it keep the machine clean, but it will everything will come out spotless. Okay, moving back to the utility room. Looks like I am folding. Okay, I'm moving washer to dryer. Those look like my clothes. Now I'm moving on to the floors. I always do the floors at the very end, so that way I can not step all over my work. Clean, clean, clean. You notice that Belinda and I have the same vacuum cleaner. It is awesome. Oh dang, I'm gonna do the floors too. Wow. So I'm now I'm actually mopping the floors. Hubby's gonna be so impressed when he sees this. And of course, y'all know Nala. She's got to investigate and supervise at all times. Filling this guy up with a little bit of water. Wow, those floors look great already. Okay, now we're moving to the living room. Again, I start by picking everything up that's either trash or belongs elsewhere, folding the blanket, putting that away in a spot where hubby won't be able to find it later. I remove everything from the countertop, wipe it down. Look at Nala, how many times she's left, and look at Bambi. She's just sitting in the same spot, chewing, chewing, chewing. That illustrates their personalities perfectly. And then I remove everything from the couch. Release a little bit of pent-up aggression. Move to go to start vacuuming. Nala doesn't know how to get the heck out of the way. I don't need no big strong man. I can do this all by myself. That table is heavy. Pick up my things, move off to this other little corner, put my wreath that blocks our ability to use the remote. Nala had to investigate. Looks like Nala's barking at the vacuum. Looks like we're going to move to cleaning the baby's activity center. This is Sebastian's favorite toy, has been since day one, and I could really use hubby's help. Big strong man again would be helpful. I did it. I wiped this guy down. Clean that up, put them all back together. Thank you, mommy, says Sebastian. This is our little nighttime TV area corner. So again, remove everything, wipe it down first. And of course, you know, this giant pumpkin that takes up half of the table, but whatever, it's cool. And looks like I'm gonna move to the living room to start folding laundry because that's part of my process. Check Bambi out. And mommy, I want attention. I'm cheating on my husband and you guys are witnessing it, watching Criminal Minds without him. He is gonna be livid when he finds out. Look at Bambi not defending me. Do y'all see Nala in the corner? That's how Nala rolls. Guys, thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Please make sure to go watch Belinda's video as well. And thank you for watching. Oh, that is satisfying, isn't it? Look at that. Check that out. All clean.